we're going to wrap up part 2 by creating our Organic Search KPIs in a table by week. The first thing we're going to need to do is change our layout to give us more room. So you're going to just click anywhere off of your graphs, and up here in the right hand corner, click Layout. You'll find the height of your canvas size here. Go ahead and change the 900 to 1300. And the display mode, rather than actual size, change it to fit width. What that's going to do is make this mobile compatible. Now we have a little bit more room to work with. We can add our table. So in your top navigation, you'll select Add a Chart, Table. We're going to keep our data source as our site impression, Search Console. Dimension is going to be date, but we need to change how the date is represented. So select date, date and time, and then this year by week metric here. Now we have that in our left-hand column, and we can add what metrics we want to show. I'm going to keep it with the same that we've been showing so far. So impressions, clicks, site click-through rate, and average position. And again, I changed the name of this one just so that it fits better. These little blue lines, these dotted vertical blue lines in your table are movable so that you can make sure everything fits in there and is spaced nicely. If, for some reason, this third or fourth column, the site conversion click-through rate, if it's not showing as a percentage, click that little pencil. Come down here to type and make sure that you're on numeric %. Now, if you want to show a comparison range, so if you want to show weekly how the position is changing, you would just change your comparison date range here. Let's do a couple stylistic changes for our table. I'm going to remove the row numbers, and I would like the average position to be a compact number. So on my metrics, I'm going to see here column 1, column 2, and column 4, I'm going to change to a compact number.